Hey, what's up? My name is Michael, and on this channel, we normally discuss about how to start and run successful small-scale businesses. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Many people have been asking me about sales. I have a lot of clients who contact me every day about businesses. Do you know what these people ask me? Michael, I started my business, but I'm not seeing customers coming to buy. The biggest number of people who consult me, they just want to know, but they end up not buying. So the first thing I tell these people that, do you know the difference between marketing and sales? You people, you can start a business today and run advertisements over the internet, everywhere. And later on, you don't even get a single person, a single serious person to buy your products. Simply because you might be actually advertising your things to wrong audience, to the wrong people. And if you sell, actually you start advertising your things to the wrong people, it will be so costly for you, and it will be hard for you to actually make profits even out of your sales. So make sure you plan your advertisements. So like for me here, when I'm looking for my clients, I normally come here on the internet and talk about something that I'm selling, and you guys come to my inbox and ask me what's the price, show me, blah blah, and a lot of questions. You ask a lot of questions, by the way. But finally, some people actually buy and others don't. I have thousands of clients in my inbox, but I have few serious people who actually go and actually pay for the machines, for anything I normally sell here. So it means my advertisement is not so much expensive. Why? Because I make these videos myself. I don't pay someone to promote my ads or anything. I do these ads myself, and I actually post them myself, and I wait for you people to come to my inbox and actually buy. So if this video reaches, for example, 5,000 people, if this video reaches 5,000 people, and among the 5,000 people, 15 or 20 people contact me. After talking to 20 people, 5 of them actually go ahead to buy. It would have been nice for me to make this video, because there is no big investment that I put in order to advertise my stuff. But if you pay like Facebook, or you promote the video on YouTube, or you pay a content creator to promote your products, and later on you get the same sales like me, who has promoted my own product in my own video, you'll find it so hard for you to make profits. And if you want to create sales, make sure target the right audience. So ask yourself, for example, why are people going to buy my product? For example, why are people going to buy my product? Not what should I sell to those people, but ask yourself, why should a customer come in your shop or your business and actually leave when he has bought or he has created a purchase for a certain product? You must be offering value. And most people, by the way, mistake value to be in price. When something is of high price, they literally say that's of high value. But value is actually embedded in the usefulness of something. What's the use? For example, I have this radio with me. I have been listening to news, blah blah blah, because my phone without headset you cannot put on the radio. So I bought this radio specifically to listen to news and some few radio programs. It means there is a reason why I bought this radio, and the gadget that I have, and that's my phone, cannot serve actually the same purpose. So it means when I go to buy this radio, I will put in effort to make sure I buy it because there is value embedded in this radio. So what is your customer buying from you? You must make sure you offer value. Yes, you must sell value to the customer and they will be forced to actually buy. Let me give you an example. Each one among us, me and you, who is watching me, I believe by mere watching me on your phone or on your computer or on your TV, you have a Facebook application on your phone. Am I lying? If you don't have a Facebook application on your phone, please put it in the comment and tell me why you are not on Facebook. Most people who have smartphones actually have Facebook accounts. So let me ask you this simple question. Do you know Mark Zuckerberg anyway? You find you don't know him. Does he know you? You find he actually doesn't know you. Did he put an advert or did he tell you to install that application in your phone? And the answer is absolutely no. So what forced you to install Facebook application in your phone? Because you wanted to actually solve your communication problems. So you'll go ahead and hunt on Play Store. Where is Facebook? Where is Facebook? All of us have WhatsApp. Who is the owner of WhatsApp? Did he tell you to install the application in your phone? The answer is no, but because we are looking at solving a certain problem. As long as what you are offering is solving someone else's problem, of course, your advert will also have some value. People will come contact you and end up buying. So please, when you are starting a business, also sometimes ask yourself, who are going to be your customers? Are they the surrounding people who are within your community? Are they people from far? Like for me, I don't care about people who stay in my community because they are even not my customers. You know, my clients are everywhere in the world because I sell machines in Rwanda, I sell machines in Kenya, I sell machines in South Sudan, I sell machines in Burundi, I sell machines in Zambia, I sell machines in Democratic Republic of Congo. And you find in my locality where I reside, I don't even have a single customer. So I cannot put on a music system on a vehicle, and pay the MC to come and, to move in the whole place talking about my products, because those are not my targeted customers. Even if they hear that I sell machines, they will not have interest. They will not even buy. Many people maybe come to consult me, to ask me, but they are not my targeted customers. So make sure when you are advertising, make sure your advert is tailored to the right audience. If you are selling toys, these toys for children, you have to make sure you go to places where you believe maybe parents go with the children. For example, churches. Because when those kids see the toys, they will cry. And when they cry, parents will say, hey, why should my kid cry? Yet they have my money in the pocket. They will buy those toys for them. So where is your business situated? Who is your target customer? And how is your selling skill? How do you convince a customer who has just come to look at something, just mere having a look, to end up being a prospective and a paying customer? How do you turn that individual who has just come to view, to get excited, to learn, to become a customer? Because for me, I normally get a lot of clients who come for training. They come to learn about how to make school chalk, how to make candles. Some come for consultation. How can I start a maize milling business? And a lot more other businesses. People come to actually consult me. How do I turn those consultations? Because when I'm here, I'm actually marketing an idea. So after marketing an idea, a client will come to get more details. So in getting more details, I make sure I turn that client into a paying customer. That customer should buy my machine. So the initial stage is marketing, creating awareness, for your good or service that you're selling. Then later on, you have to make sure you turn that marketing into a buying client. You make sure you close sales. So here today, I'm going to make part 2 of this video and dive in depth. We discuss about sales because I've had and I have realized that the biggest number of my customers do not have a problem with manufacturing. They have a problem with sales. Capital is not a big issue. Capital is, most of you think capital is cash and they will take it like that. So cash, anyone can borrow money from the bank. You can get money from friends. People can help you with the money. You can get money in any way. But after producing a good, then putting it there, launching it to the market, giving it to people outside there, they appreciate it and they buy it consistently. Has been so hard for most of you people. And I've seen that we must focus actually on creating a sales. So how would you turn marketing awareness into sales? By making a sale means you've actually got a paying customer. Someone has given you money in exchange of the good or service that you are selling. So we need to look into these things in depth before thinking about manufacturing. That's what makes manufacturing one of your toughest decisions. Your toughest decision you think to make in the business world. Buying and selling could be easier because you'll find you're selling something that many people are familiar with. But if you launch your own good, your own product, then you must think twice. It should be able to solve someone's problem, and you should know your right customers. Well, thank you so much for watching me. This video was requested by one person in the comment section, and this person said, Michael, please come and help us. We have failed to sell our goods. I'll be here the whole week discussing about sales. So thank you so much. If you're new here, can you consider subscribing? And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. My name is Michael once again, and have a nice time. Bye-bye.